Hello guys, good afternoon. I believe everyone is doing well. You are welcome back to this channel. Yeah, well, it's been a while. I loaded a video, I posted a video on this channel, but I've been generally active, working and learning new things. Um, this afternoon, I just want to share with you a trade opportunity I entered today and how it played out. So actually, I saw an opportunity on gold earlier today, and I took an entry and it ended up in profit. So I want to just share with you. This is not a new lesson. This is just a breakdown of the analysis I used to enter this particular trade. And over the weeks, I've been in several trades which have proven profitable or I ended in profit. You can see this is USD JPY. I actually did the analysis and noticed that the price will definitely buy from this point. So I placed my entry here and I put my buy limit and attended to other things. When I came, the price has been triggered and it went all this straight up. But I couldn't wait till this point. So when the price got here, all right, when the price got to this point, this is where I exited, all right? The price got to this point. I exited at this particular point, and the price came here and started doing the reversal thing, all right? That is when I decided to do what? Exit the market. But the price, as you can see, has already moved up, getting to my highest price point here. So at this point was the point I wanted to get out. But sometimes you just have to play safe. So here I expect the price to actually reverse, maybe down here before if it want to buy again, it will go up. All right, it will go up like this, come down and do this. All right, or if it breaks this particular structure, that means change of character over here. All right, and then I will expect a sell or the down to this particular low side. All right, so you can see the price is currently in an uptrend for now. So I'm expecting a strong bullish move to the upside before the price does whatever I want to do. All right. Let me also show you what I did on GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, as you can see from my lowest point here, this two actually helps me see the highest price point, all right, and the lowest price point. So I know where exactly to place my support zone, seeing that it has tested multiple times. There was a strong move from that side. Oh, I don't know why my long um my long two is not showing here. It should show so that you see that I actually entered this, but good. I have it here. So you can see from here, all right, I got the entry from this point. That's just today around 8:30 a.m. I got the entry from this point and the price is still moving up. My goal is to expect a strong reversal at this point. A reversal at this point, all right, maybe down to this side before the price finally moves to the upside, all right. Yeah, so I'm still in the trade as I record this video now. Let me see Euro JPY. I think I had one on it, but I did not enter. As you can see, I expected the price to move all the way down to this point. Then I will have an entry. But I notice it did not come. All right, the price just reversed. Decided to make a turn from this point. All right, decided to make a turn from this point and buy. All right, but I've not deleted this particular order. Maybe I can wait for maybe till next week, Friday, if the price will ever come down here to trigger it so that I have my buy. Yeah, so I'm looking out for that one. And USDJP, I think I did one analysis on that. And actually, let me see if I can find it for you. Let me see. Oh, yes. Oh, why is this thing getting lost anytime I get here? Okay, well, I've done analysis and I'm supposed to enter from this point, from this lowest point, but you notice the price, I expect the price to, I'm sure it to move all the way up to this high point, all right? Take a reversal, which when I get a perfect entry, I'll take a counter entry from this point to the downside. So I am expecting I have my order from this side, all right? And I expect the price to, after this, move down all the way, whatever, to this point before it begins to move up. And that's where my eye is currently on. But if this reversal proves to be a bit um okay, I'll also enter to the downside before I go to the up. All right, yeah. But then today, this is not my focus for today. I want to show you my analysis on gold. Yes, my analysis on gold. I just got out some about 35 minutes ago. All right. As you can see, my prediction, shorted price to come down, sell to the lower side. All right. But when I saw this reversal, especially this candle, you can see this candle, there was rejection here, rejection here, rejection, rejection here. I'm thinking the price might actually go back up to buy. So I decided to exit at this particular candle close. This particular candle close. So all these moves which has moved up, I've not lost. All right, I've exited. And if it wants to come down, I think I can still look for an entry at this point. So this is what I'm looking at. You see this particular price point. This particular, please, come on. Sorry guys, I'm trying to this particular point. All right, this my line here. If the price comes down and breaks below this, all right, I can continue to look for my sell opportunity to the downside. While if the price fails to break this one because of these rejections, or you can see the rate, let me delete this so that you can see these rejection wicks, all right, rejection, they are losing selling pressure. If it fails to break this particular line here, all right, that's this particular um support zone, mini support zone here, I will not look for a selling opportunity again. Maybe the price might want to go up, which is not my problem. All right. So let me show you how I was able to spot this particular entry on gold. Today, I entered right from here. I think the entry was here from here. Yeah. Then it moves all the way down. All right. Okay, I'd not entered with a bigger loss size. But if I've entered with a bigger loss, I should have made about I think probably about $5,000, right? If I'm going with a normal loss size 0.5, I used to do on that account, which is a pro firm account, all right? It's strictly pro firm I'm trading, all right, on this particular currency pair, on this particular gold, all right? So if I should have entered 0.5, because I did a lot size less than 0.1 is okay, and even that one is not bad. So just imagine I enter with a normal one. But trading gold, you have to be cautious and careful before you over trade. All right. So yes, just on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's go back to the analysis on the 4 hour time frame. What did I see? Okay, let me delete this. Now seeing that I'm out of the trade. All right. So on the 4 hour time frame, I noticed that this point, this was last week, Tuesday to Friday. All right. From here, I marked the consolidation from Tuesday to Friday. All right. And I didn't have an opportunity. So I said that if the price, let me open, yes, sure. So from this consolidation, Tuesday to Friday, I said if the price breaks above this, all right, above this level, you have a buy. The price was to break this below this one, you have a sell. So you know what did you notice? The price broke above this and you had a buy to the upside. All right. So now you will notice that the first thing I have to look for is the market structure, which is the market in an uptrend or a downtrend. So that's the first thing I look out for. All right, what do I look out for? A market structure. A market structure. All right. Is the market in an uptrend or downtrend? And if you're following my channel, you notice I said the market is in an uptrend, we are looking for a buying opportunity. If the market is in a downtrend, I look for a selling opportunity. If the market is in a range like this, like what I drew the box here, I would wait till the price breaks out of that particular confinement, all right? Then I'll look for either buy or sell. All right, so in the range market, I decide not to do anything. I just stay out of the market until I get a confirmation. All right. So now I notice that from here, the price is currently in an uptrend. I hope you can see that. Right from this side, the price went up, came down, went up, all right, came down from here. The price went all the way up, actually broke this particular one, all right, and even broke these particular highs. Then it came to retest these highs over here, all right. Then we have our consolidation, all right. Then the price went up. So we can see overall, if you are looking at it, the price is in an uptrend. So someone may be asking, you said when the market is in an uptrend, you should look for buying opportunity. But this trade you entered, you actually sold. All right, and I'll show you that. So now this is what my 4 hour time frame is showing me that the market is in an uptrend. All right, so quickly, what I'll do next is to look for my area of value. All right, my area of value, area of value, which is to draw my support or resistance zone, all right? Support or resistance zone, which other people will call demand or supply, or the SMC guys will call premium and discount zone. All right. So this is what I did. So you see from this point, there is the highest point here. All right. And I went back and noticed that, okay, this highest point, all right, has been tested multiple times from this side. Let me delete this so you to see clearly. All right. Yeah. Amazing. So normally this is the point people would like to have an entry. All right. This particular point is the highest point. So people just expect a move to the upside. Let's say move to the upside, then the sell would come. All right. I'm not trained on the 4 hour time frame. So what do? I just have to go back where to the lower time frames. All right. So I'll just do my higher time frame support at this point because see this point here tested and it went up, tested, went up, tested when so a good support zone can be drawn. All right, so now I'll put my support zone over here and just put it here. What are the conditions? It should have multiple touches. It should have moved away from that. All right, so now to get my, I'll just put it up. All right, so one touch, two touches, three touches. So now when the price gets here, which is the higher time frame support, so I'll just put 4 hour here to show me that I'm on the 4 hour support zone, all right? And here will be the 4 hour resistance zone. So I then move on to the 1 hour time frame. And what am I looking for? On the 1 hour, now I'm seeing that this is the place I would like for a big entry to the upside. When the price is fortunate to get to this point, all right, then I'll look for it to get to this point, a big selling opportunity. But see here, mine too, this too high here shows me that this is the highest point price will reach. All right, so I will just go back and see if it has tested before. So what do you see? You see that's still the highest point, but if you zoom down a bit, you see this point. So this particular point is a point of interest here. So I'll just draw my 1 hour um, resistance zone this side. All right. So that's what I need. And if I want to draw my 1 hour support zone as well, probably this point tested here, tested. All right. Okay, I didn't see this way. So let me go to the where I'd like to enter. All right, from this point, yes. And this is me on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, what am I seeing? From here, by that time I entered the trade, all right, I had this particular 1 hour resistance drawn, all right, but then the price was here, Monday 7:15 a.m. This particular point, all right, that's what I saw. And what candle are you seeing? That's a hammer candlestick, this particular one. Come on, let me clear this. This particular candle is a hammer candlestick, and it is formed right at the high here. Show you right at this high here, and also in that support resistance zone here. So now that means I can look for a selling opportunity to the downside. So this was what gave me confirmation. All right. Because I did counter trading against the larger time frame or the higher time frame. 4 hours uptrend, 1 hour was uptrend. But I decided to on the 15 minutes look for a selling opportunities counter trading. All right. And for me, my expectation was the price will come down to this low point. And this low point, all right, I'm showing this low point, this is the 1 hour time frame, all right. Okay, this is the 4 hour. This is actually the 4 hour, all right. So I was expecting the price to come here to the 1 hour low, right? The 1 hour uh, support, all right. But I've exited the trade, all right. So that's what I expected. I'm out now. I know the price will definitely come down to this point. It will sell all the way after breaking this particular structure, right? The price will come all the way to this point. The price doesn't move in a straight line, but it will definitely come all the way to this point before a reversal will be triggered. Then we look for opportunity to the upside. All right. So this is basically how I looked at the market today. So what are the processes? The first one I look out for, I think I will set this thing here. I'll set this here. I'll set this here like this because I will look for another opportunity, this particular one here. And what I'm seeing is that if the price is able to break this break this, all right, break this particular one, I will look for opportunity to the downside. If the price doesn't break this, I'll just wait for the price to come here, then I'll come down again or look at what the market does and follow, all right, for an opportunity. So yeah, so what's the process? The first one to look out for is go to the higher time frame and look at the market structure. It tells you the higher time frame. Is the market in an uptrend, all right, or downtrend? Then you look for the area of value, which is the support or resistance. So when the market is in an uptrend, support is what matters because that's what's going to give you confirmation. And when the market is in a downtrend, resistance is what matters because it's going to give you confirmation. The third one is to look for entry. All right, entry point. All right, entry reasons. All right, or entry triggers. Where there we are looking at candlesticks to confirm. I use candlesticks, all right, to confirm, and I have some candlesticks I use. You can go back to my chart to learn the candlestick, my entry reasons, all right? And sometimes I use double bottom and yes, double top, all right, and double bottom to double top or bottom for entry, all right? And then the last one will be exit, which is basically my TP and what? My SL. TPNSL, which is what I call the main concept. All right. A strategy that is now gaining popularity. All right. So you can just look at this, but you can go back to my channel and you see more videos of me using this particular strategy. All right. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you in the next video. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and join the channel. You can share the videos with your friends or colleague friends who would also learn a lot from this particular concept. Thank you very much. You can leave your comment in the comment section and I'll respond to you as soon as I see. See you in the next video.